Welcome to Southern Virginia University, home of the Knights. Nestled in the foothills of the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains, Southern Virginia University's campus is home to a friendly and engaging community whose collective motto is to love one another. I'm Riley Reel, class of 2023, and I'll be taking you on a tour of campus today. We'll begin today's tour at Main Hall. This historic building represents the heart of our campus. Students who graduate from the university receive their diplomas on this front porch. This 4-story building houses everything from classrooms to ballrooms. The first floor has multiple common areas, and classes are held on the second and third floors. At SVU, we believe the best learning environment is one where you can connect with and receive one-on-one attention from your professors. Our small class sizes make that possible. An average class on campus will have just 15 students. Connected to Main Hall through a corridor is the Performing Arts Center, otherwise known as the PAC. Here you can attend music concerts, theater productions, or use one of the practice rooms to study music. This is the Academic Center, the hub of classrooms. During the school year, its 3 floors are bustling with students. There are classrooms on the second and third floors and labs on the first. If you need to meet for office hours, this might be the place. If you live on campus, the Night Dining Hall, or CAF as most students call it, will be your go-to for most meals. A sit-down dining experience that features a rotating menu, salad, and pasta bar. This is the Kimball Student Center. On the first floor, you'll find the Round Table, a go-to on campus for sandwiches and wraps, and a personal favorite of mine. It's also a great place to study or socialize. On the second floor, you'll find studios for both music and dance. Right next to Round Table is the Hilltop Market. It's a great place for grab-and-go snacks between classes. This is Canon Library, a quiet place where students study and get their homework done. It also features an art gallery where students can hang their artwork for others to enjoy. In the basement, you'll find the computer lab, the writing center, the mail center, and offices for professors. This is Landrum, the music building. Here you'll find practice rooms, offices, and classrooms. Whether you love math or were forced to finish that one gen ed class, you might find yourself here. This is Magnolia Hall, the math building. The quad is a perfect place for outdoor activities and events. During the warm months, you might find students hammocking in these trees or playing spike ball in the grass. This is the YSA Stake Center, where young adults gather to learn of Christ. On Sundays, you'll find on-campus student wards meeting here, and on weekdays, you'll find students attending Institute of Religion classes. If you're an artist, you will get to know Fawson well. The first floor is dedicated to fine art drawing and painting, and the second floor is where photo students study. Tucson is the other art building on campus. Classes meet here for design, sculpting, and senior art projects. This is the Stoddard Center. If you're on a sports team, you'll likely spend a lot of time here. Stoddard houses practice gyms, coaches' offices, weight room, and the training room. From Stoddard, we find our way to the Knight Arena. Men's and women's basketball, volleyball, and wrestling all compete on this NCAA regulation-sized court. This building used to be a horse barn, and since then, students have continued to refer to the space as the barn. Welcome to the fields. This is where student athletes participating in an outdoor sport come to compete. Here at the Knight Stadium, you can come cheer on your friends and favorite sports teams. Also at the fields, we have our rugby field, the tennis complex, and the Harvey Dryden softball field. And that concludes our tour of the university. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our campus housing tour linked in the description, and we hope to see you on campus soon.